What's going on, friends? We just got done yard sailing. We are loaded down inside and out, and we've got the whole crew with us today. Got up early. It's been a long one. We're going to show you what all we got, so stay tuned.
Lots of books, lamps,
Sears.
Grab that.
No, I never got brave enough to go.
Oh, yeah, that's what you talked about.
Like the big,
No, I just got the light.
we had a big Sultana in our yard.
Oh, I think I like it. I think I like it. It's so pretty.
So I'll be the first to tell you that I am not a book expert, but I have seen these before. I actually sold the same set recently for $28. So when the lady told me she wanted $5 for it, I thought it was a little high, but I knew it would sell quick, so I grabbed it anyway. Also grabbed these 3 Harry Potter books. They're all hardcover. She wanted $2 a piece, but I ended up bundling some up, and I'll probably hold on to them until I make the set. Should be 7 of them, and I should get between $60 or $75 once I do that. Also grabbed this Sultana Latch Hook pillow kit. I've seen the Latch Hook rugs before, and they've always sold real well. This is the first time finding a pillow. I think I can get $20 or $30 for it. Ended up paying $10 for everything. I grabbed some more of the book box sets, but she wanted a little too much for them, so I just stuck with this stuff for 10 bucks. A Bose wave radio for $3, that's a no-brainer. This is a Bose model AWR1W1, and it's got a little nick right here, and I'm missing the remote, but even in this condition, should still sell for $60 or $70. Not bad for a $3 investment.
Fishing 3 games, $5 each.
So I did buy a PS3 for $12. It doesn't have any cords, so the lady told me she did not know whether it worked or not. She couldn't power it up because she didn't have a power cord. Do have the PS3 and both remotes. I did test it with an HDMI cable and I could not get it to work. It powers on and seems to be loading and everything. So it's got some kind of display issue. I may tinker with it and I can get it to work. That's even better. But I can sell the remotes for like $20 a piece and sell the PS3 not working for $30. So I'm not gonna lose money, but it'd been a whole lot better if it worked. Also, did I miss any games in that box? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'm not an expert gamer at all, but leave me a comment, let me know what I missed. And well, I know I missed that Sony VCR for 12 bucks too with the remote. I could have made my money on the remote. Oh well, win some and lose some. Speaking of misses, did you guys see that set of golf clubs? He wanted $75 for that set of Adams Tightwise clubs, which was a little too much for me to flip, but he saw me looking at them and asked me what I'd pay. I told him 40 bucks. He said, I'll take 50 and I'll throw in this swing jacket. It's a golf swing training aid. I'm thinking the swing jacket's not worth anything, so I had to walk away. I was wrong. That swing jacket sells for 70 or 80 bucks and it sells almost instantly. So if I'd have picked that up, I'd have made my money back there and probably made over $100 on the clubs. So yeah, I missed out.
Y'all had a lot of traffic this morning?
Yeah, that's y'all about the 10th group of people that come through.
I
So
got you.
that's a pitching wedge through 5. Good morning, how are you?
Good.
No chainsaw today.
So yeah, that guy was definitely selling liquor at his garage sale. Don't know the legalities of it, but he was doing it. And it was scotch, and it was half the price of what they sell it for in the stores. At least that's what he told me. I'm not a scotch drinker, so I don't know. But I bought these 3 head covers, paid $1 a piece. I can get $10 or $12 for them, or I can hold on to them and hopefully have a club that matches, and it'll up the value of the club a little bit. Of course, after I turned the camera off, I found this. So this is a vintage Pioneer model SX780. Saw it kind of hidden under a table that he had in the driveway. Pulled it out and asked him how much he wanted for it. He told me he was hoping somebody would come along with a VCR and offer to trade it. I don't typically walk around with VCRs at yard sales, so I offered him 20 bucks and he was happy to have it. He told me it didn't work, but even not working, this thing sells for $200. If I can replace the fuse, which I know is blown, and have one on order, and it works, I'm looking between $400 and $500. Either way, great buy. You don't find these very often. So I grabbed some golf clubs. Lady had these 2 kid sets sitting out for $25 a piece, and when I grabbed them and went and talked to her, she actually had these Cleveland irons along with these wedges sitting next to her. I asked her if she'd take $75 for everything, and she did. She'll get around $200 for this set of US KG WT-10 kids clubs. Putter's still wrapped in plastic, so it's a good deal. These Wilson profiles, not fantastic, but still probably around $75 plus shipping. These Cleveland irons, I'm going to take them and hit them and see if I like them. But if I don't, $200 there. And then each of these wedges is probably around $20 a piece. So $75 and they're a little over $500. Not too bad.
You want me to sign or take it out far?
Yeah. Okay, so it's, you
Let
have,
me see, I have a private.
okay.
I'm going to get back to the farm.
So this may be my favorite yard sale find ever. I'm kind of a Disney nerd, really into Disney, and I've never seen this before, and it's really cool. And it works, so even better. But I paid $12 for it, and as far as resale goes, it should definitely go over $100. Prices are kind of all over the place, but certainly during Christmas it should bring more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.